Are your legs wobbling like jello mid-lunge? I was a total clown, face-planting, thinking, lunges are trash. Then I uncovered a shocking secret most miss it, trapping their legs in weakness. Today, I'm exposing how lunges forge iron legs and unbreakable balance, how I flipped from flop to fierce, and a killer 3-step plan to nail it. By the end, you'll lunge like a pro. Knee pain? Drop ouch below, I've got the fix. Before we dive in, a huge thanks you're the spark of muscle mindset. Smash like to fuel this vibe, subscribe for more epic wins, let's revolutionize together, now. I was a lunge wreck shaky weak balance 0. Then Journal of Sports Science 2023 proved it. Lunges ignite quads, glutes, core and boost balance 40%. One leg action fixes weak spot squats can't compete. I'd wobble, then boom lunges made me a beast. Hold up Whist alert. Lunges aren't just for pretty legs, they explode coordination, mobility and raw power. Run faster, jump higher, dominate any sport. Mind blown? You bet. Forced myself, struggled hard, pushed on. Weeks later legs turned iron, balance locked, confidence soared. I'd flop hard, now I rule your time to shine. Fast science, lunges double blast step down builds strength, push up unleashes power. Packs muscle, burns fat, pumps hormones like crazy. I'd lag, now I'm on fire. Poll time walking lunges or static power? Vote below, I'm all in for walking. Tell me your pick. Ready to dominate? Here's your 3-step lunge takeover quick. Easy, epic. Step 1. Align sharp feet hip width. Step forward bold, chest up, core tight. Locks you in, I'd slouch, now I'm solid. Step 2. Lower smooth bend knees slow, front thigh parallel, back knee close, knee over toes. Builds power, I'd rush, now I flow. Step 3. Push hard drive heel, squeeze glutes up, explode back. Seals the strength, I'd limp, now I finish like a champ. How? Align sets, lower powers, push delivers lunge magic. Boom! I'd wobble, now I own it. Fix it just up, knee straight pain gone, gains on. Keeps it fresh, I'd stall, now I'm unstoppable. Do this, now skyrocket your gains. Myth smashed. Lunges ruin knees? Total myth done right, they strengthen. I'd avoid them, now I'm proof. Crazy stat. Sports Performance Institute 2023 lunges boost leg power 40%. Step up, claim it. Every lunger a beast. Push hard, watch gains stack. Fast hack, 10 lunges today wobbles vanish, balance locks. Use this, feel the fire. Snag 30-day total body home challenge link below. Smash like, subscribe, shout your top movelets rule YouTube. Lunge revolution starts no, hit it daily, forge those iron legs and unbreakable balance.